openinterpreter just got a new update and it's gonna blow your mind. This update lets you run PC on autopilot mode and they can see your screen, click button, type stuff and even copy and paste. It's like having a super smart AI assistant in your local machine. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into openinterpreter new update and show you everything it can do. Imagine giving your language model the ability to interact with your computer directly. Well, with openinterpreter's computer API, now that's a reality. This API provides language model with basic I/O controls, allowing them to see your screen, click button and move the mouse, type and interact with keyboards, access the clipboards, and many more. This opens up a world of possibilities for automating tasks, controlling your computer through natural language, and even developing AI-powered assistant that can interact with your desktop environment. And second major update is OS mode. Want to see your AI in action? Here is the quick demo from Mike Bird.
Now you can automate your computer using openinterpreter. So openinterpreter just came out with their new computer update. And this enables OS mode, which allows openinterpreter to control your keyboard and mouse to execute tasks. Check this out. Play some lo-fi. Since openinterpreter is an intelligent system, you don't need to tell it how to do certain tasks. You just give it a goal, and then it will come up with a strategy for how to best complete that goal. So you can see the first step, it used Raycast to open up Brave, then it opened up a new tab where it opened YouTube with a search for lo-fi music. Now, I never mentioned music. I just said play some lo-fi. It took that from the context. This current function, computer mouse click, what it's doing is it's going to search the screen for instances of lo-fi. It will grab the coordinates of that, have the mouse navigate to that spot, and then execute a click command. Now, obviously, there's a lot of instances of lo-fi here. So what it's doing is it's going to take all the instances, find the one that makes the most sense, and then click on it. And just like that, your computer played lo-fi for you.
And the third major update is LMC messages. To facilitate seamless communication between language model and computers, openinterpreter has introduced a new messaging format called LMC messages. This format builds upon a OpenAI's messaging system but add extra information and dedicate a role for computer, enabling efficient exchange of data and instruction between the two parties. I hope this detailed explanation provides a clear picture of the exciting advancement in openinterpreter 2.0. If you have any further question or want to delve deeper into a specific feature, feel free to ask. If you want to learn how to install the openinterpreter, click on the I button where I have a detailed step-by-step tutorial video. Thanks for watching.